In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change company name in QuickBooks Online. If your business has rebranded or you simply want the name that appears on your invoices and reports to be different, this quick update will keep everything consistent. You'll need access to your QuickBooks Online company and the right permissions, ideally an admin role. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your web browser and signing in. Once your dashboard loads, look to the upper right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. That's the Settings menu. Click it to open the list of options. From the menu, choose Account and Settings. This is where you manage the core details of your company file. On the left side, you'll see Sections. You'll be in the Company area by default. Here, under the Company Info heading, you'll see the current company name displayed. This is the name QuickBooks uses across your file, so it's important it matches how you want your business to appear. To make the change, click Edit in that section. The fields will become editable. Type your new company name exactly as you want it to show. Take a moment to check spelling, capitalization, and any suffixes like LLC or Inc. because this name can appear on customer-facing documents and many reports. If you also see a legal name field, remember that the company name controls what customers see on most forms, while the legal name may be used for taxes and official filings. Only update the legal name if it has truly changed. When you're satisfied, click Save. QuickBooks will confirm the update and you can click Done to exit account and settings. In most cases, the change is immediate. If you don't see it reflected right away on reports or forms, refresh your browser. You won't need to restart QuickBooks. A few quick tips to wrap up. If the Edit button is grayed out or you can't save, you may not have the right permissions. Ask an admin to make the change. After updating, open a sample invoice or report to verify the new name looks correct everywhere. And if your branding has changed, consider updating your company logo and contact details in the same company section so everything stays consistent. That's it. You've successfully updated the company name in QuickBooks Online, ensuring your books and customer documents reflect your current brand.